Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So our topic for today is how to share a Google Drive link to everyone, meaning how we can give our Google Drive link to everyone. Before we proceed with the video, we would like to say to all of you, if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. So let's quickly start the video. Okay, so first we'll open our Google Drive. After opening, click on the photo you want to share with everyone. Okay, after selecting, look here. You will find the option of 3 dots. After clicking on the 3 dots, look at this fast paced share option.
What will you get, Tigra?
Click on this chart option. After clicking, look here below manage access. This option has appeared. You need to click on this. Okay, so here my animal link is set up, means I can share everything. It's set up like that, so I'll show you again how to do it. So go to the change option. Look, after going to the change option, see at the very top, it is in. On this link, after clicking on this link, look here, you will find the copy option at the top. After clicking on this, now anyone with whom you share this link they will be able to see the folder, photo or video, whatever it is. If you are liking our video, then please subscribe to the channel